What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with this Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys like it. I am first starting off with my P. Louis base in the shade number 2. This is the limited edition base. Then I am going in with my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, and I'm taking that burgundy color and I'm just going to place that on my crease. Then I'm going in with the BH Cosmetic Weekend Festival palette. I'm taking that pink shade and I'm using that to blend out that first color. Then I'm going with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm using that light pink shade just to blend out the edges of those colors. And to deepen the crease, I'm going in with the black shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil color, and I'm just going to go in little by little and just place that black in there to deepen that crease. I'm going back with all the colors just to make sure I get a perfect blend, and then I'm going to go in and cut my crease using the same number 2 base from P. Louis. Now that I've cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the same colors that I used in my crease, starting with that first light pink shade, then the black shade, and then the darker pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I also used the shimmery pink shade from the Weekend Festival palette from the BH Cosmetic palette, but I forgot to include that. And then I'm just going to go on top with glitters from Fluttered by Ro. When my glitters came, they came without names, so I don't have the names of those shades, unfortunately. Probably I'll go on the site and try to figure it out and place it in the description box, but no promises. Okay. And of course, what goes up must come down, so I'm taking the same shades that I placed in my crease and I'm just placing that on my lower lash line. All right. Alright, so I'm starting off with Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I don't think that's the dry skin cream, but that's definitely a moisturizer from Pond, and I'm using Tart Maracuja oil before I go in with my foundation. No primer today, and then I'm using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 400 and the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. I mix those together to get my perfect shade, and not also my perfect shade, but my the perfect finish as well, because one is super matte and one is dewy. So yeah, I mix those. And for highlight, the Fenty Beauty concealer, I can't remember what shade that is. I deleted the clip with me blending out the concealer by mistake, but after I blend out my concealer, I go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I have been loving this powder lately. This powder is so nice and smooth, make under the eyes look flawless. And then I go in with my AJ Crimson foundation in the shade 5.5 to contour. And of course my MAC mineralized skin finish to set everything in place. Also, I use it to dust off my translucent powder so that it does not leave any white looking cast under my eyes. And of course I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Volume 2 blush. That's the pink shade in the palette, and I love that blush brush from Juvia's Place. It is such a wonderful brush. It is just so dense and fluffy and soft. I just love that brush. And for highlight, I'm going in with my Artist Couture Double Take highlighter. It is a nice pinkish highlighter. It is so pretty, you guys. It's such a pretty color. You guys will see up close what the color looks like when I apply it to my tear duct. It is so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Yep, there it is. Such a beautiful color. Such a beautiful color. I love it. Right, and finally I'm going in with my Lolita 2 from Kat Von D and my NYX liquid lipstick in the shade Teddy. I did not like how that looked in person, but it's looking really good on camera. But then I took it off and I applied a liquid lipstick from Stila. Let me know which one you guys preferred in the comment section down below. I like on looking at it on camera, I'm loving both of them, especially Lolita and Teddy. But yeah, let me know which one you like the most, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.